In this video, we are going to talk about decision-making statement, or you can call control statement in JavaScript. First of all, let's create here the new file, right? I'm just clicking here, and I'm giving the file name as PCIS7 decision-making statment.html. After creating this file, I want to use this boilerplates from here, and also I want to change this document into the decision-making statement, or you can simply call the control statement, right? So NTRL control statement statement. And inside the body section, at first to write the JavaScript code, we have to use the script tag. And after writing these things, if you want to make the decision-making statement, then you can use the three keyword here. Like first one is the if, second one is the if, and then the else, and third one is the else if. Or you can call it as else if ladder also. I don't think that we always used to do the decision making statement in programming, but we always used to make the decision based upon the condition, right? When we wake up early in the morning and before going to the bed, we used to make the lots of decision depend upon the condition. Likewise in programming, we have the if is, and the else if keyword here, or you can say the these are the decision making statement, or you can say the control statement. So first of all, let's see the syntax of the if statement, right? SONTS syntax, and if I type here if statement, then first of all if, and then inside the if we have the condition, and if this condition is matched, then your statement will execute from here. STATMENT statement, this statement will execute. If this condition is matched, then only this statement will execute. If this condition is not matched, then this statement won't execute. It will go outside of this loop and it will terminate the program. So let's see the example. Let's create one variable a equal to 16, right? And I'm putting the semicolon also here. This is not compulsory. And I'm making here the if statement. If a is greater or equal to 16, then I'll write one statement, document.write, and I'll give one message here. You are eligible for citizenship, right? And if I want to run this code by clicking on the go live options, this code is running, and you can see here, nothing is disappear here, nothing is appear here. So why nothing is appear? I'm writing here the a equal to 16. So first of all, this remove this part from here, and again go to the browser. Nothing is happening here still. So here a equal to 16, and if a is greater or equal to 16, then this condition will execute. Why this code is not running? First of all, let's click on the inspect, and then go to the console, and nothing is appear here. Decision making statement, right? If a is greater or equal to, this condition is matched here, but what is happening here? You are not eligible for citizenship. Document.write. Okay, this now you can see here, this is showing you are eligible for the citizenship, right? Likewise, if you want to see the if is statement from here, first of all, let's put this inside the comment section. If you want to see the syntax of if is statement, then this is same as if statement, but we can use the else keyword there, right? If, and then the condition, and if this condition is matched, then here is a one statement. This statement will execute from here, and if this condition is not matched, then it goes into the else block, and then here another statement will execute from here. So I also again want to put inside the comment section, and I also go and let's see the example. If again, let's create the variable a equal to 16, and then if a is greater or equal to 16, okay, or you can say the less than 16, then you can put one statement like document.write, and you are not eligible for citizenship, or you can give the any message here. And if I can write here the else block here, like else, and then I can give the message Control C, Control B, you are eligible for citizenship. So if this condition is matched, then this will execute. Otherwise, this code will execute. So if I go to here, now you can see here you are eligible for citizenship. If I put here the 10 value, and if I go to here, now you can see you are not eligible for citizenship because this condition is matched here and this code will execute here. So likewise, I want to talk about the more one statement, that is else if ladder, or you can say simply else if. SONTS syntax, ELSE else if ladder, or you can simply call else if. So here is a many more condition, and we use this syntax, or you can say the else if ladder statement many more time. If, and then the condition, and if this condition is matched, then first statement will execute statement 1. So you can put the condition 1, and you can write here else if, and again you have to give the condition here, condition 2, and if this condition is matched, then this statement 2 will execute. Likewise, you can make the number of else if statement, right? And I'm making the condition up to n. You can make 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I'm making the condition n, and then the inside the condition n, I can write here the statement n, and at last we can write here the else block, right? And this is the default block and statement, and this is actually default statement. If all these conditions are not matched here, then default statement will execute. And also we have this switch case also in decision making control statement. We can make a separate video about the switch condition. So just see the else if statement, if else statement, and then the else if statement, right? So again, put this syntax inside the comment section and just create the example here. Again, I'm writing here a equal to 16, and if a is less than 10, okay, if a is less than 10, then I can give the message document dot write to our PSL child, and I can write here the if else if, and again I can give the condition is greater or equal to 10, and I'm making the logical AND operator, and then the a is less than, okay, this is comparison operator, right? A is less than or equal to 16, then I can give the message document dot write, and I can give the message you are still child, and again I can make the else if statement number of times, but I'm writing the else if statement, and if a is greater than 16 and a is less than 20, and I can give the message document dot write you are no more child, and at last I can give the message document default message, this is document dot write, and I can give the message as you are adult, right? So if I go to the browser, you are still child. It means I'm putting the a value as 16 and this code execute. If I'm putting the a value as 5, then you can see you are child, right? This condition is matched and this code is executed here. And if I want to match to this condition, then I can give value of a as, if I'm putting here the 12, then you can see here you are still child. It means this condition is matched and this code execute here. And if I give the value as 18 or 19, then you are no more child, right? So it means this condition is matched with you are no more child. And if I'm putting the a value as 100, then you can see this is none of this condition is matched here, and at last condition, this is the default condition is running here. So in this way, you can use the decision making statement, or you can call as the control statement in JavaScript. If you get any confusion regarding this video, you can ask in the comment section. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel. And also, I want to give you one assignment to you. If you are watching this video till the end, then you have one assignment. Just make the many condition like mark sheet condition. It means if your percentage is less or equal to 40, then just keep the statement name as third division. And if your percentage is between 40 and less than 60, then just keep the second division. And if your percentage is greater or equal to 60, and less than 80, then you are in the inside the first division. If your percentage is greater than 80, then you are in the distinction. So you can make the variable one variable name var, and then you can put the value of your percentage, like the 80%. If you put the 80%, then it have to show the distinction. If you are putting the 70%, 70, then it will show the first division. If you are putting the 41, then it will show the third division. If you are putting the 55, then it will show the second division, right? So in this way, you can make one assignment here using the different conditional statement, and just put inside the comment section. I will check that your answer. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.